Okay, Garrett's going to turn over home now, alright? That's alright.
I still need to get my 2 goats on the sleigh.
Yeah, we'll try and get home before this blizzard comes on, won't we?
We're about to wait to get out. Then we'll watch the video.
Try not to slide off the lane here, won't we? Yeah. Sliding home for Christmas. That's a big blizzard right there, Phyllis. See it coming down heavy from the north.
Where's the blizzard?
You can actually just see it up, but it's just the whole sky's full of snow at the moment up there, and it's ahead of us, about 3 miles away. You shouldn't see the mountains over a mile ahead now, what they're like. I think we'll make it home before the blizzard gets us annoyed, so we'll be alright.
I'll get my 2 goats on the sleigh.
Yeah. You want to go sleighing again?
Yeah! After the blizzard. For the blizzard.
Or the blizzard's going to be here for hours, you never know.
It's up in the mountain area. It's not the Kodaf area, it's just not. Mountain Head, yeah.
Grocery store.
It's not even snowing.
That was funny. There we go. There's the house coming up, Gears, now. Made it home before the blizzard. Okay, I'll try and get on without sliding. You think that's funny? There we are. Home, girls! You just made it in time, Grania. What do you think? Just made it home?
Thank you.
Blizzard has arrived.
Perfect.
Let's get on and keep warm, will we?
Yes.
Okay.